Well, you won't have to worry about that big turkey no more. He was delicious. Just kidding, just kidding. Well, let me introduce you to my new chauffeur here. This is Bruno. Okay, Bruno, this is the time when it's your turn, if we can find the control, to say hello. Say hello. Whoa, that's enough. Okay, anyway, Bruno gets me around here, and we're going to do a little piece for you here. Usually the bird comes out, somebody does something sweet and nice. I don't do things nice and sweet. I do things nice and rough. Hit it, boys. Move it, wheels. I love trash. Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. Anything rotten or ragged or rusty. Oh, I love trash. I have here a sneaker that's tattered and torn. It's all full of holes and the laces are worn. A gift from my mother the day I was born. I love it because it's trash. I love trash. Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. Anything rotten or ragged or rusty. Oh, I love trash. I have here some newspaper 13 months old. I've wrapped fish inside it. It's smelly and cold, but I wouldn't trade it for a big bag of gold. I love it because it's trash. I love trash. Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. Anything rotten or ragged or rusty.